Ah, there we go. Okay, we are live. We're live. There's a bit of a glitch there with OBS. What up, everybody? Happy Friday. I am finally back to YouTube as normal. My sickness has slowly gone away. I still have a little bit of it, but yes, we are coming back to YouTube. So I will be with you all in like 6 minutes. If you guys have any questions or anything, feel free to ask. I will be here for 30 minutes as normal, and then I will be in the Discord for 30 minutes live trading, and then I'm calling it a week as I have other commitments, as it is 5:30 p.m. in Dubai and the weekend's already started here and activities and all that have started. So yeah, I will be with you guys in 5 minutes. Good morning to those who have joined. What up, everybody? We are back. Yo, yo, yo. 3 minutes till we get started. 3 minutes. 1 minute till we get started. What up? 1 minute. So I've changed the settings a bit to only subscribers, so encourages people to subscribe if they want to ask a question. That way you are forced to subscribe. But yes, give me 1 minute. I'll be with you guys very shortly. Right, what up everybody? Hello, 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 hello. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. What up everybody? We're gonna be ramping up the YouTube. We're gonna be ramping up the live YouTube. Everybody get in, retweet the link as well. It goes a long way. It goes a long way. Okay, let's see what the market is bringing today. Kids is absolutely insane. I would definitely take entries above $8.70. Anything below, do not care. Do not care. Discord guys, also just changed my picture because all these stupid scamming bots, absolute twats. So sad, man. It is so sad. PLRZ looks fantastic. This was above VWAP. We gave it to a member earlier. Very nice. Looks good, looks good, looks good. Close above VWAP. Then use the candlestick strategy. If you want to know how to use that strategy, you can join the Discord. The strategies are there. The seminar's there for you to learn. Mr. J is up 1.7% for holding overnight bangers. See y'all next week. Cheers, my man. PLRZ does look good. Yes, PLRZ looks great. Looks great. Looks great. Welcome back. Yes, Fig, what up? Good morning. Happy, feeling better. Yes, feeling a little bit better. Feeling a little bit better. Good morning. Yeah, FRGT is very nice. Someone asked me about that. I think it was one of my followers on Twitter. There was just nothing going on, but obviously there's news or earnings or whatever it's running. But congrats for that person. Glad to see it working. Yeah, it's good. One. BTOG. BTOG always runs pre-market and doesn't really do anything. These wicks here show a lot of selling pressure, so at the moment it's difficult to trade something like this. Let's see, I'm not going to go here, right? So the reason why I'm not going to draw from the top part and get this touch is only one touch, right? Or two touches, 1, 2. If I change the line to here and here, right, we could possibly, actually it's still the same, but I prefer this kind of trend line here. Looks a lot cleaner. So we could wait for this. I thought it was 3 touches, but no. You could wait for downtrend break on BTOG, but personally, today's Friday, focus on 1 or 2 plays, and that's it. B-Hat. I will be announcing some cool news to the Discord as well. For those who are interested. BTOG, yeah, up 11%, straight wick. I'd wait for 5-minute candle, close above 259, move it to 260, get that psychological level in. 260, then we have here to here. Yeah, above 260 looks great. See this? But usually, yeah, look, B-Hat's down. Entries only above $2.60. B-Hat, B-Tog. Good morning. Almost entered FRGT 145 at a way. See if I could 169. Waiting for possible entries. Yeah, FRGT will pull back. It will pull back. It's kind of slow VWAP. Yeah, so this is the only one play above VWAP. I mean, you could try and take an entry here. You just have a larger stop loss. Like, say you have a stop loss here. It's kind of a big range, right? So from here to here is what? 8%. So let's do 1-to-1 risk to reward. So let's say if you have a target here, the 248 could be a target. So you're risking 1-to-1. So you could enter now and have a 290 stop loss or 348. Right. That's kind of what you got. But at the moment, it's only play running as anyone with volume. So this looks like the highest probability setup. Hopefully they don't drop an offering anytime soon because this thing hasn't run in a while. BRKB. What is BRKB? I don't have BRKB, unfortunately. Thoughts on PAPL? Probably nothing. Yeah, nothing on this. I know it's above VWAP, but yeah, nothing. The overall chart is too bearish. This just sold off yesterday. I know it ran up. It was up pre-market the other day or yesterday, but nothing on this. It's too bearish. You don't want to be trading something like this. Like compare this to something else like FRGT, right? FRGT is in a bullish trend, above VWAP, has volume, everything indicating that there's a high probability to go up. Trying to enter this is guessing that you've caught the bottom to go up and waiting, and it's a little bit difficult. ELRZ, reverse split cancelled. That's actually very good. Nice, look at it go. Got a wick fill here. It's not really a big wick fill, but yeah. IVF, how far can it go if it breaks downtrend? IVF. How far can it go? Let me ask my crystal ball. So right now this doesn't look great at all, to be honest. I can give you key levels if that's what you're looking for, but how far it will go, I don't know how far it will go, unfortunately. But that strong wick indicates a huge pump and dump, which means that it is not great. But if I was to take an entry, maybe you could wait for a break above this level, like $2. So $2 psychological, maybe a close above that on the 5-minute, 10-minute, 15, whichever time frame you like to use. Close above that $2 psych, then it looks pretty good. Yeah, I like it over 2. Entries above $2. Savera. I have to take a look at this. Savera. I don't know what Savera is, sorry. You're looking at Berkshire Hathaway. Why are you looking at Berkshire Hathaway? What about this stock? $500. I can tell you that you're at a critical level right now. 539. Breaks that, you should be good, but yeah, I don't trade these, so it's difficult. All I can say is if it breaks above this, it should continue to go up. Right now, you're too close to a resistance. I think it's earnings, that's why it's up. I don't know. Oh, I see Berkby. Okay, that's what you was. Earnings coming up. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, I wish you best of luck if you're in this. Obviously, it's Warren Buffett's stock, isn't it? Alibaba. Assuming they got earnings as well. I mean, you have a gap down, which is obviously not good. It can fill this gap down. Just look left and see which key levels there are on the 4-hour. Let's see. Like here's a big move down. There's another one somewhere around here. Here, like 130. So these are your key levels for this. I mean, obviously, if it comes down, let's come back to like 120 level. PAPL, I've gone over this one already. I know people are bag holding this for whatever reason. I know it's getting pumped, and hopefully they learn. You guys learn. Do not trade these pump and dump shitty stocks. Do not trade them. They are trash. Look at the stock. It is going down. I know it's pushing up. I can see that. I understand, and I can see that. However, The overall trend is bearish. There is not much volume, so it's extremely difficult to trade something like this. FRGT, if you got in this one, I gave you your target and your stop loss. That's a membership to the Discord. Congratulations. That is like 16% probably. And I even gave it to you on Twitter, so well done. Well done, well done, well done. For those who are not able to type, you need to subscribe to the YouTube. I have put that new section, so you have to subscribe to make you a subscriber so you can comment and join the conversation. Well done if you took this. You literally had 8 to 8 and it ran up. Even if you got in late, you still would have made money. Thanks, Bond. Bond is a very big pump and dump stock. For me personally, I would just avoid it. If you're in it, sell it, cut it, take the loss like a man, rip the band-aid off, and move on. Right now, nothing. See? Right now, there is nothing going on. It's not in an uptrend. It's not in a downtrend. It's literally just ranging, so we don't know what to do. You know? So nothing really exciting. Yeah, possible reversal. Maybe if it gets down to 5 cents to buy again, but right here you have like random, no man's land. UNCY. What is this bond? Needs to reverse, but in order for it to reverse, someone needs to buy it. I don't think anybody on this planet will buy a 5 cent stock, 6 cent stock. Trash. RSLS is running, getting close to 0.44. It's very, very. I would say if you get a 5-minute candle body to close above 0.44, looks very good. However, it is still not looking good. Needs to reject, needs to close above 0.44. RSLS needs to close above. I'm assuming there's earnings on this, or what news is it? Because everything's having earnings right now. Earnings season. On its device at the 12th annual Minnesota. Anybody going? Anybody going? Anybody? Amazing news, amazing, fantastic. I'm happy for Reshape Lifestyle. Oh, I stopped trading. Yes, let's go. Well done. Is it a good idea to buy and sell stock pre-market if it goes down 3% or more? What do you mean by that? Stocks go up and down, like this one here. It's going up and down. If you can elaborate, that would be fantastic. There's an offering. Yeah, PRP, I'll leave it. Kids seems like one of those stocks that go crazy, but for now, it's doing tricks on me. Yeah, I agree with you. I agree with you on that one. I agree. I mean, it's still respecting this demand zone, but you also have a demand zone here, and here it ran 360% yesterday. And then what? You have another 50%, over 400% in 2 days. And today hasn't even started. So yeah, pretty insane. Does need a healthy pullback. In my opinion, you could look for entries above 870. That's where I would look for entries. Entries above $8.70. Let me get some more people in this. Let me get some more people in the YouTube. Live trading on YouTube now. Everybody join us. The link is there. What has everyone got planned this weekend? Anything exciting? Anything exciting? There we go. Okay, cool. Yeah, kids, you can wait for $8.70. $8.70 break. The trend is your friend. You are correct. It literally is. As easy as it sounds, that is what it is. If a stock is trending up, look for entries. Go to a smaller time frame and look. What about bull? Bull is bull crap right now. It ain't no bull. It's a bear right now. Nothing exciting. It's just literally in the demand zone where buyers can possibly step in. There is a possible reversal. In my opinion, this is more of a long-term trade. That means if you buy it now, that you hold it for a few months, a couple years, you do not look at it and you're not like, I'm down, I'm down, I'm down. Obviously, before you enter trade, you have a stop loss. Longer term, you have bigger stop losses. I would say like 30, I don't know. Just depends. You normally enter long term and then you have a certain amount allocated. So if you have $1,000 allocated for this, you buy maybe $250 worth. If it goes down, you keep averaging down. If it keeps going up, you're averaging up until you spend that $1,000. And then you have your average there, and that's kind of how it is. But right now is a possible good entry zone because you're in a demand zone. Sellers are slowing down here, small body candles for a possible reversal. If you get in, please make sure to have a stop loss and a target. Not that I need to tell you, you should already know that. Nvidia, what's happening with Nvidia? Nvidia's got a big level here. $115 pairs. It's had a huge run up yesterday. No, not yesterday, the day before. So $115 is your major level. If this can close above this on, well, today, ending the week, this will be amazing for the market. Nvidia must close above 115 for bullish momentum. For bullish momentum. Is kids done? Is PLRC still reversing to high of day? Kids, I don't think is done. No, I don't think it's done. I think it will continue to go up, but where? I don't know. This is possibly good buy zone, but I will look and wait and see what happens in market open. PLRZ needs, if it reclaims 0.5, this looks pretty good. I mean, it's holding VWAP, possibly a little pullback like this to go up. This is what we can have our prediction as. I would have a stop loss just below VWAP. Family time, lovely. Bull is nothing good at this point. Yeah, I mean, it's just like buy low. I like the stock, I like the company. So in my opinion, I think it's good, but everyone's preference. Long term, you buy more for your personal and also like just overall trend of the stock, and you can see stick with the reliable companies. Going to see the accountant too. Ooh, interesting. Yeah. I don't really watch movies, to be honest with you. I just watch a lot of YouTube. I'm more of a YouTube type of person. HMH has nothing on this. This was a former runner, but nothing. HMH needs 0.1099. So everybody's asking about PAPL. If I'm telling you, I hope everybody's listening. Everybody listen up about PAPL. This stock is a load of trash. Sell it, cut your loss, get that band-aid on your right arm and rip it off. Take the loss and move on. Please don't keep asking about it because look, the stock is shit. It's trash. I don't know what else I can tell you. It is no good. Why did you buy this thing in the first place? Think to yourself. Probably because it was getting pumped on Twitter because someone said buy it and put some crazy PT. Leave it alone. It is going down. Look, it is going down. Bad, bad, bad. This should be danger, red flags, sirens going in your head saying, why am I an idiot to buy this? So moving forward, do not enter these pump and dump trash stocks. Hope that's clear for everyone. Get out of PAPL. It's trash. I can tell you again, do you remember APDN? This might hurt some of you, might bring back some bad memories, but you guys know who I'm talking about. Couple FinTwit gurus, couple FinTwit furus, some absolute idiots have been pumping this stock. And look what happened. Look at it. Look. What do you see? You see that it is being dumped all the way down. It is literally down 78%. These stocks that people post and put PTs and saying it's going to this target and when something sounds too good to be true, you know it probably is. That is why with my Twitter, I never tell you it's going to $50. This is a $50 stock or this and that and this. I give you key levels. I tell you where you can look for possible entries, what you need to wait for, what levels, and so on and so forth. That is it. All right? I educate you to help you to understand what to do. All right, obviously my full education and the seminars and everything and strategy is all in the Discord, but I do my best on Twitter to give you as much free and educational stuff as I can, because that is how it is. The counter festival is amazing. Forensic accountant is also an assassin of web. I think I've seen that. I might have seen that, to be honest. RSLS key levels. Woof. Broke above 0.44. Not sure if anyone grabbed it. What is the news on this? Oh, we looked at it already. 0.556 that we can use like this. 696975. 6975, and then we have one more high. So I like to use the 4 hour. These aren't the best ways to do it. This isn't the proper way to do it. This is the way I trade, and this is the way I give my key levels. All right. So maybe someone else who has 1 million followers will do something different. Maybe someone who's just started trading will do something different. These are just how I find the key levels. Well done. If anybody is in this thing is moving insane. There is one person who's asked me about hymns every single day. Every single day. I don't know what to tell them because the chart doesn't change much. But obviously they are lazy and cannot read a chart, so they asked me to do it. And all I do is just put some colors and make it look good. There's my hymns chart. Tax deduction, OMEX. What is happening with OMEX? OMEX is going down, strong downtrend. My prediction is that it's going down. Why? Because the trend is your friend. If you're looking for an entry, you wait for the candle to close above the downtrend. But right now, it is not looking good, I'm afraid. Heading to one dull hair. But yes, if you're in it, hope you're out, or hope you're not in it. APLD should be up, yep, because the Bitcoin broke above 475. This is the level I told people to enter at last week, last month, last year, whenever it was. But yeah, these are your key levels. Looks good. This will follow Bitcoin. Finally got the break above 475, and it's up nearly, it's over $1 up. We have, let me see if I can find that old chart. Let's see if I can find it through my Twitter archive. APLD, here we go, there we go. APLD got the 475 break. Oops, chart. Wait, this was it here? Yeah, this was it here. Nice. So glad you're back. I'm back. I am back. APLD, thanks. ADIL. So guys, I have a announcement. Not an announcement, but something exciting. So in the Discord, we obviously focus on small caps. We trade common shares and we trade all the small cap plays. However, we are also expanding to do some options. We're going to be looking into doing some education for options. We're going to be doing some videos on options. Probably start it in a few weeks or so, but we've already started doing option calls. A lot of our members have asked for it since we pretty much started. Finally, we bit the bullet and we have started to do it, and been a very, very, very big success over the past couple of weeks. Also, guys on Twitter enjoying it. But yeah, we are going to be posting a lot of stuff on options. So we're also going to be doing options in the Discord, which is cool. However, our main focus is still going to be small caps and our strategies and teaching how we trade small caps. However, we will be doing some option plays and videos and stuff. ADIL is bearish. So GRRR. GRRR is no good. Maybe above $21. Entries above 21 dull hairs. This is the only link. Yeah, here's the link. This is the link here to the Discord. Has he put he put it out not yesterday, the day before. Monday, sorry. He opened up spots. Roger is slightly above VWAP. Would you recommend another entry at this current point? No, not right now. Not after this huge sell-off. Personally, would wait for it to come under VWAP, then reclaim VWAP, and then go in. Keep an eye on this $3 psychological level as well. You can see what happens around here. Do you ever trade PDFA plays? No. Can I assume that low volume pumps are not validating for an upward trend? Yeah, I mean, everything's getting pumped, just avoid it. All those videos will be in Discord. No, it will be in the Discord. All the options, all our educational content, guys, we do give some stuff on Twitter, but our goal is to teach people how we trade. That is what people pay us for, right? Whether people like the alerts we have in the Discord and everything, but people pay us for our education and our experience and what we've learned and how we have become profitable so they can learn the same skill. Whether $100 is a lot for some people it's cheap. In my opinion, I think it's extremely cheap for the value that we give, the transparency. You can see everything, exactly how we trade. You can see it, right? There's no BS, anything. We're here all the time, pretty much. We spend a lot of time in the Discord, more hours and time than we should actually need to be honest. But we are here every single day, pretty much. Fridays, Hassie's not here, but Fridays I'm here as normal until like market open. But yeah. That is it. Who knows, we might be pushing the price up when we do start expanding and concentrating a lot on options, but for now the price will stay the same. But yeah, obviously it is expensive to some, and that's fine. I totally understand. I never force people to join it, but obviously the education, what people pay for, that is what is going to be in the Discord. So all the educational stuff for options and all that stuff coming in the future will be focused on the Discord. Discord members. I still like kids. It's looking good. It's holding demand zone very well. Very well. Zcar is a back of VWAP. Yeah, Zcar no good right now. No good. No good. Zcar no good. Zcar is no good. Zcar is no good. Downtrend. So Zcar downtrend. All right, I'm gonna go over my watch list and then I've got to head to Discord, set up live trading, and then we start to make some moolah for like 30 minutes and then I've got to go. SoFi, I like that for long-term Fig. It's pushing up already. 1260, 1270. Yeah, this level here. No, 1247, 1255. Around here, but it's already pushing up, unfortunately. Okay, let me go through my watch list. So FRGT looks like one of the highest probability setups at the moment. We have 385 as a level here, and then we have 435. 435 is right here. Yeah, that's the link there. The link is there, the WAP link. You choose 1 or 3 month, then you claim Discord access, and then from there you're in the Discord. Kids is also looking good. These are probably the top 2 plays. Please understand that does not mean buy now. It doesn't mean full port. It doesn't mean get in and take out a loan. I'm just telling you these are looking like the highest probability setups. If they give me a setup, I will alert it in the Discord with the stop loss entry and targets, or I'll give them a setup and tell them where they can look for possible entries. However, if you buy now, make sure you use a stop loss and a target. You are in control of your account. You decide what you want to do. SOPA is still in a downtrend. Doesn't look like it's reversing. RSLS is pretty insane. Needs a pullback. PLRZ is doing what I have drawn, which is pretty cool because the yellow line never fails. CNEY doesn't look great. BTOG is trying to push up and break downtrend. I bought CNEY at 0.25 in the morning. Is it now at 0.20? Should I sell it now? So what I would do is, if you don't know what to do, moving forward, try to make sure that you always have a stop loss in your position or take profits. And then what you need to do is also, now you're in a situation where you don't know what to do, put a stop loss where you're happy, or just cut the loss. That's what I would suggest. But I hope it reverses for you. Yeah, yearly Discord guy here. Remember us for yearly discount. Yeah, free. IBO is popping, correct? Yes, thank you for that. This is still on $1. Damn, why is this on $1? What news was this? Because I don't see anything. See, these charts are so weird. They're bottom out plays. Probably going to see a lot of these come in the future. This is a big level. This 0.57 is that level that needs to break, which it's breaking right now. These are levels here. No, yeah, the price will probably be the same, to be honest. Not gonna. IBO key levels. Rightio, guys, I'm going to head into the Discord now. As I mentioned, there are spots available since Monday. Here's the link. If you also are looking into doing options, we are going to be doing options very soon. We do give option setups now. So if you're interested, feel free to join. However, our main focus is teaching you how to trade with non-alert service. We give around 5-6 alerts a day with entry, stop loss, target, all those things. Hopefully swing trades come back next week, and all those things. So there's a lot of plays and all that stuff. All right, so hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll be here for like 30 minutes or 20-30 minutes after open, and then I will call it a week. All right, session. Yeah, they're day trades like 0 DDT. So they are day trade setups. All right. Thank you again, guys. I appreciate all the support. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I'll see you all on Monday.